Hi, I'm Salazar and we are here in Master Electricians Review Notes. We are here to review basic electrical principles and electrical code that are commonly asked in the board exam, and some simple electrical calculation. If you are interested to always get updated, watch my YouTube videos and subscribe and hit the bell to get the notification for updated posts. Or you can like us on Facebook. To maximize the use of technology available to us, this Master Electricians online review is associated with the use of a Moodle app. The Moodle app will assist you in your licensure examination review goal. There are thousands of objective type questions with answers which will automatically quiz you to build your stock knowledge. You can take exam many times and monitor your performance. Only paid online reviewer can access the site. However, you can watch this video and learn from these review notes. Okay, let's proceed. In this review notes, we will review engineering notation because electrical quantities are commonly expressed either by a very large number and a very small numbers. Typically, during the board exam, you will encounter numbers like 2,500,000 ohms or 2.5 mega ohms or 0.0000025 amps or 2.5 microamps. With that, you need to understand engineering notation or scientific notation. The power of 10 notation will be very useful, and as a master electrician, you will have to know this basic knowledge. This is the power of 10. In this example, it is 1 times 10 to the 3. Base 10 and 3 is the exponent. Or it can be written as 10 times 10 times 10. We have rules in the power of 10. Some rules are any number raised to exponent 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to exponent 1 is equal to that number or base. In our example, 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10. Let us read the table in your screen to familiarize your eyes using the power of 10. 1 million with arrow blue is 10 to the 6. 1,000 with arrow yellow is 10 to the 3. 0.001 with green arrow is 10 to the negative 3. 0.000001 with red arrow is 10 to the negative 6. I hope you get the point of the use of the power of 10. We will use it in the board exam to convert those big values to its original basic units. Another example is if a number was presented as 3,900, it can be presented as 3.9 times 10 to the 3 because the decimal point moved 3 places to the left. Or if we have 0.000056, we can say it is 5.6 times 10 to the negative 6 because decimal point moves 6 places to the right. This is one way of writing a very small numbers. Let us discuss metric prefixes. Metric prefix represent power of 10 that are multiples of 3. What is that? Once a number is represented in engineering notation, multiples of 3, it can easily be represented in metric prefixes notation. Example, we have 1 million ohms. We can say it is 1 times 10 to the positive 6 for engineering notation. Or we can say, using metric prefix, we can say it is 1 mega ohms. Here's the table for engineering notation and the equivalent metric prefixes. Blue arrow, 10 to 12 is tera, abbreviated T. Yellow arrow, 10 to the 9 is giga, abbreviated G. Green arrow, 10 to the negative 3 is milli, abbreviated small m. Red arrow, 10 to the negative 9 is nano, abbreviated small n, and so on. Example, if we have 2,700 kilo ohms and we want it to convert to mega ohms using engineering notation, we have 2.7 times 10 to the 6. We move an imaginary point red. As you can see, 3 steps to the left between 2 and 7. And we can say using metric prefix, we have 2.7 mega ohms. These things are very useful too during the board exam. If you have given a problem, for example, of a 220 volt and a load of 2.7 mega ohms and asked to find the current, and you need to convert the mega ohms to ohms before you start calculation, or your answer will be wrong. Okay, let us have some knowledge check. Pause this video and answer the following. Convert 2.2 mega ohms to kilo ohms. Convert 47,000 picofarad to nanofarad. Convert 2,500 microamp to milliamp. Convert 6.25 megawatt to microwatt. Okay? Here's the answer. 2.2 mega ohms is 2,200 kilo ohms. 47,000 picofarad is 47 nanofarad. 2,500 microamp is 2.5 milliamp. 6.25 milliwatt is 6,250 microwatts. I hope you got it right. You can practice it by taking the exam in our RME automatic question available in the Moodle app. Those engineering notation that we discussed above is applicable in some of the logic and common sense question in the board exam. Example board exam question is this. What is the total power in watts of an 8 kilowatt load connected to 230 volt source with a resistance of 6.6 ohms? Choices are A. 8 watts, B. 80 watts, C. 8,000 watts, D. 8,015 watts. The answer is letter C, 8,000 watts, because it was given in the problem as 8 kilowatt. If you compute it using power formula, B squared over R, it will give you 8,015 watts, which is correct, but it is not what is asked in the question. You may choose letter D, but the correct answer is 8,000 watts because 8 kilowatt is given in the problem statement already. I hope you learned something today. Good luck in your review. Take more review in our objective type question or calculation problem in our online review program app. Once you learn seriously the topic we have discussed, the rest of the exam will be easy because you have a lot of tools to use. See you in the next review notes. For now, you can subscribe in this channel to keep you updated, or you can visit my Facebook page and like us to support the Master Electricians Review. Fractalknowledge.com offered online review app. The mobile app will assist you in your review goal. There are tons of questions and answers to build your stock knowledge. The Moodle app is available in iOS for iPhone and Play Store for Android. Please contact and message the following person for more information. Good luck and see you in your review. Next is my disclaimer on contents and disclaimer on images used. Contents are properly references if it came from books, and images are copyrighted by their owners for proper use who share it online. Their reference came from public search engine using a specific keyword and was properly referenced. To credit them, please read the details.